Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys, how can we fix keyboard in Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to fix keyboard in your Infinix phone device. So how can we fix? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we fix keyboard in Infinix phone device. So guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting to fix guys your keyboard, and friends click here guys phone app setting guys. We will search here guys phone app setting guys. So you will have to on guys your phone app setting guys, tap here, and guys you can see your app setting. We will tap here, then guys we will search here guys gboard setting. I will search here guys phone gboard guys. As you can see gboard guys, we will tap here. So friends, you can see guys your gboard guys, tap here storage setting guys, click on guys your clear cache, then guys clear storage guys, tap here to fix guys your keyboard problem. So like that guys you can fix guys your keyboard problem guys, and guys you can use guys your keyboard setting from here guys. So like that guys you can fix guys your Infinix One by phone keyboard problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching.